Welcome to the Games and NLP channel.
I'm Massimo Poesio from the DALI project at Queen Mary University of London and the University of Essex. Our first video, a brief introduction to our channel and in particular to the field of computational linguistics or natural language processing. The term computational linguistics or CL is used to indicate the subfield of linguistics devoted to the study of language using computational means. By contrast, the term natural language processing or NLP is used to indicate the subfield of artificial intelligence devoted to the development of programs capable of understanding or generating language. Some people consider themselves primarily linguists, so prefer the term computational linguistics. Others consider themselves primarily AI researchers, so prefer the term natural language processing. But many people, in fact, are happy to use either term. So, what do CL or NLP researchers do? Many researchers in the field are primarily interested in development of practical applications. You've probably seen already some of these applications. Well-known examples include Alexa from Amazon and other conversational assistants, or Watson from IBM and other question answering systems, or perhaps Google Translate. In the channel we will discuss some of these new and exciting applications. But one thing that should be made clear from the beginning is that there is a difference between the performance of even the most advanced NLP applications and the performance of some other AI applications. You may have heard that in the area of games in particular, game playing programs have defeated the world champion, so they have superhuman ability. In NLP, this is not the case. So even advanced programs like Alexa or Google Translate, while impressive, they certainly have abilities that fall way short of those of humans at understanding language. So a lot of basic research is still needed. In following videos, we will discuss some of the reasons why performance of NLP models is still below human level, such as the problem of ambiguity and the solutions that NLP researchers are developing. Some NLP researchers focus on so-called end-to-end models, i.e. models tackling an entire task such as machine translation. Other researchers focus on more specific aspects of the problem, such as understanding how a word should be interpreted in a given context, or perhaps understanding how a so-called anaphoric expression should be understood. In this channel, we will have videos discussing those aspects of language interpretation and how they tackled the problems.
These days, most NLP models are not designed by writing programs by hand, but by using machine learning methods to automatically create the models from data. The most effective approach to machine learning for natural language processing these days is neural networks, in particular so-called deep neural networks. We will discuss in following videos what neural networks are and how they are used to train NLP models. We are especially interested in the issue of how to resolve the problem of creating data that are suitable for training the kind of models that we are interested in. So, Why games and NLP? There are lots of channels on NLP on YouTube, many of which do an excellent job at presenting the field. The distinguishing characteristic of this channel is that we are interested in the interaction between games and NLP. This goes both ways. On the one hand, we are interested in the possibly most obvious aspect of the question. So, how can you use NLP within games? The less obvious aspect, perhaps, but the one in fact in which we're mostly interested in, is how can you use games to help NLP? And in particular, how can you use games to label data to be used by NLP to train NLP models? We will discuss both aspects of the problem, and actually many of our videos will be illustrations of the games that we are developing for this purpose. Many of the videos in this channel will be shot by us. We are a group including both game developers and NLP developers, a bit of linguists, psycholinguists. But hopefully we'll also have some guests giving presentations on their work. Hope you enjoyed this video and that you will continue to follow the channel. See you soon.